Hello everyone, today I am going to demonstrate the 11th experiment of electricity and magnetism lab. Here the aim of the experiment is to find the voltage and current relationship in a RL series circuit and to determine the power factor of the circuit. To perform this experiment, the apparatus required are the 2 voltmeter of 0 to 300 volt, 1 ammeter of 0 to 10 ampere, 1 wattmeter of single phase dynamometer type, and digital voltmeter of 0 to 200 volt, a variac of 0 to 270 volt with 8 ampere, and a fixed resistance in 3 steps, and the inductor and connecting wires. These all are the apparatus we require for the experiment. So let us start the connections. So first of all, from the variac, it is connected to the voltmeter. This voltmeter shows the voltage reading of this supply voltage from the variac. Now, the positive of voltmeter is connected to the M terminal of the wattmeter. This is the M terminal. The M and C is always shorted. So we connect the MC. Now from the voltmeter is connected to the M terminal. Now from the L terminal it is connected to the ammeter. Now from the ammeter it is connected to the resistance load. Now from the resistor it is connected to the inductor. Now the inductor other terminal is connected to the V of the wattmeter. So we have 75, 150 and 300 ranges are there. We have to keep in such position that the supply voltmeter range. So the supply voltmeter, that is 300. So here also we use the 300 range. So this is V connected. Now the same V terminal is connected to the voltmeter of the supply voltmeter. Like the supply voltmeter is the connected across the supply. So from that, and this is connected to the this one. So now there is the voltmeter 300 range, 0 to 300, that is connected across the resistance. Now the inductor across digital voltmeter is connected. Now the connection is completed. This voltmeter shows the reading across the inductor. This voltmeter shows the voltage across the resistance load. This voltmeter shows the voltage across the supply. So this is the VL, this is the VR, this is V, this is capital I, and this is the W. Now you have to switch on. First check out whether the variac pointer is in 0 or not, because it's very, very dangerous for the experiment. Now set the voltage of 200. So you have to check this voltmeter. In this 200 we have to fix. So by moving this variac, you can see this is in 200. So we have to write down. The V is 200, that is capital V. The ammeter reading is this is 1 point something, but we don't have the calibration, so we have to write you can write 1.5. The wattmeter reading is 40. Here the wattmeter multiplying factor is for the 300 volt is 8. So you have to multiply whatever the reading shows in the scale. So here it is 40. So you have to multiply 40 into 8. Then the VR is this one. This is 200 and the VL is 9.2. So from that we have to find out the cos phi, that is the power factor, is equal to W by VI. The similar thing, first make it 0, switch off the power supplies. Now the second one is off, on. This one is off, this one is off, now this one is on. Now similar thing you have to do. You have to vary the voltage. Here the capital V is 200 volt, the ammeter reading is 2.2 ampere, the wattmeter reading is 60, that is multiplied by 8, 60 into 8. Then the VR is, here it is 204 and the VL is 12.8. Again we have to calculate the cos phi, that is equal to W by VI. Now first make it 0, switch off the supply, make the connections as the third one, that is on, off, on. So this is in on, this is off, again this is on. Now switch on the power supply, vary the voltage, again to 200, and write down the reading of the point. Now we have to draw a phasor diagram by choosing an appropriate voltage scale and measure the power factor angle for both the sets of readings. And now the experiment is completed.